My name is Leah Medins and I come from Brazil. I work here as a Director of Studies for the Explorers program. I do many things. I like reading, I like doing yoga, and I like watching movies. I think like seeing kids learning, it's been amazing because when they come here, like week one, they're like so shy and some of them are nervous, but then you see that as days go by, they start to produce their first words in English and then they come out of their shell. So it's been beautiful. There have been many memories. It's difficult to pick, but perhaps when kids went to the London Eye, like during the excursion, and they got to see London, and then they were like the way they reacted to it made me really happy. I think it was beautiful. I think that the best thing about working here is like the support system that you get, and then like all the managers, and there's really the spirit of group work, so you don't feel like lonely, and then you always have people to work with you, so this is great.